To properly submit a mail-in ballot in Pennsylvania, first apply for a mail-in ballot if you haven't already. There are 3 ways you can apply for a mail-in ballot. First, you can apply online by visiting votespa.com/apply mail ballot or by visiting vote.org. Second, you can request a paper mail-in ballot application by contacting your local county election office. Third, you can apply for a mail-in ballot in person at your local county election office. The deadline to apply for a mail-in ballot is 5 p.m. on October 27th, 2020. Once you've received your mail-in ballot, follow the instructions on the ballot and select the candidates and ballot measures you want to vote for. Then, place your ballot in the provided secrecy envelope. Place the sealed secrecy envelope inside the pre-addressed return envelope. Then, sign the declaration on the return envelope. If you don't place your ballot in the secrecy envelope, it will be labeled a naked ballot, and your vote won't be counted. Don't forget to sign the declaration on the back of your return envelope as well, or your vote will still not count. If you're mailing in your ballot, check the upper right corner on the front of the return envelope to see if it says postage paid or postage required. If it says postage required, put a first-class stamp on the envelope. If it says postage paid, you don't need to put a stamp on the envelope. Then, drop your ballot off in any mailbox. You can also drop your ballot off in one of your county's ballot drop boxes. Alternatively, drop your ballot off directly at your County Board of Elections office. Your ballot must be dropped off in person by 8 p.m. on Election Day, or postmarked by November 3rd in order to be counted.